Hi dear children, welcome to grade 3 GK. I hope you all are fine and safe, right children? So in today's session also we are going to see about the celebrations of the world. So we already seen some of the world famous festival in our previous session, right? So the carnival in Brazil, Chinese New Year and Bulls Run in Spain, and also we have seen the Songkran water festival in Thailand. So this session also we are going to see the some of the world famous celebrations. Okay. So the first one, Nowruz, Iran. This is the traditional Persian New Year. It's celebrated by the Parsis and Iranis all over the world. It's considered to be the one of the most important celebration of Persians. Okay, so the festival marks the first day of the spring season and it generally occur on the March 21st every year. Nowruz marks the new beginning with the bright and glamming prospects. So Nowruz is a New Year celebration of Persians and Iranis. So now means new and Rus means day. They celebrate Nowruz for 13 days. The main aspects in this New Year is first they thank their God in this New Year and then clean their homes. The cleaning is a traditional part of the holiday. And then buy a new set of dresses and also visit their relatives, friends and family members and sharing a special gift, dishes and wishes. This festival starts with jumping over the fire because they believe that the way to start off New Year with a good luck and riding of bad luck in the fire. And the last day of this New Year is most of the people leave their home to enjoy nature and picnic and family get together. So the next celebration, Halloween. Halloween in USA and Canada. Okay, so the Halloween is a festival that is primarily celebrated in the North America, but now it was celebrated in many parts of the world. This Halloween is a festival of fun for kids. So Halloween is celebrated every year on the evening of October 31st, which is the evening before the Christian feast of All Saint Day. So the All Saint Day is a holy day, traditional holy day for Christians. This day marks the end of the summer and harvest and marks the beginning of the dark, cold winter. According to this tradition, people believe that the spirit of the dead were able to come back to their life in the physical world. So on Halloween night, people dress up as ghosts, witches and other scary characters. After dressing up, children go from house to house in their neighborhood and asking trick or treat. People would give the children basket full of candies, buns, apple and snacks. If no treat is given, then they can play a trick on the house owners. So one of the main thing in this Halloween is jack-o'-lantern. Okay, so the people create a glowing jack-o'-lantern by carving scary faces on the pumpkin and they places the lantern in front of their houses to scare evil spirits and to welcome the trick or treaters. Okay, so the next celebration, Venice Carnival, Italy. So Venice is a small city in Italy. It's a small island. It has no roads. People use only canals to travel one place to another place. So the Venice Carnival is an annual festival held every year in the month of February or in March. So the tradition of carnival date back over 900 years. So this carnival is a public festival and it related to traditional festival of Christians. So it's held in many places of the world. But this Venice Carnival is especially famous for its ornate marks. People cover their faces with colorful marks and participate in this festival. So during this festival, Venice come alive with masked Venetians and tourists. Bands, jugglers and entertainers are everywhere and canals are full of colorful boats. The main event of Venice Carnival are held at the Piazza San Marco place. Okay, So the next celebration, Pingxi Lantern Festival in Taiwan. Pingxi is a small hillside town in the Taiwan. This Lantern Festival is one of the biggest New Year celebration in the world. This festival was celebrated on the first full moon day, that is the 15th day of first month in lunar calendar. This is the end of the Christian New Year celebration. So the Chinese New Year is end with the Lantern Festival. Okay. So the Pingxi Lantern Festival is age-old tradition of letting others know that the country is safe. People gather their place to write their wishes and dreams on their lantern. So thousands of lantern with the wishes and decorations are released onto the sky every year by Taiwanese, because it's considered good luck to release the sky lantern. They hope that their ancestors will answer their prayer and believe their problems and worries floating away. So children, this session we have seen the celebrations, Nowruz in Iran, Halloween in USA, and Carnival of Venice and Pingxi Lantern Festival. So all of you, please note your today's homework. Draw the Halloween jack-o'-lantern in your homework note and send it to Google Classroom. So this is your today's homework. So children, avoid your mobile phone, laptop, desktop or any other gadget item after session. Drink more water, eat healthy fruits and vegetables. Also stay home, stay safe. We will meet in the next session. Bye children. Thank you.